In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure a report in Pipedrive. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to Pipedrive, creating a report that effectively displays your sales data is crucial. Let's jump right in and walk through the entire process step by step, ensuring you can confidently manage your reports. Once you've logged into your Pipedrive account, you'll find yourself on the pipeline page. This is essentially where all the action begins. The pipeline page is your hub, your home base, where you can view an overview of your ongoing deals and activities. From here, our focus will shift to configuring detailed reports that visualize this data effectively. To kick things off, you'll need to locate the Insights tab in the main navigation bar. It's usually situated somewhere near the top, so you shouldn't have to hunt too hard to find it. Once you've spotted the Insights tab, go ahead and click on it. This will open up a new realm dedicated to all kinds of analytical tools and possibilities. Inside the Insights section, your next task is to find the Create button. This button is typically prominently displayed as it serves as your gateway to generating various analytical tools and reports. When you click this button, you'll be presented with a few different options. For our purposes today, we want to create a report, so select the Report option from the list. This will help you consolidate your information in a structured format that's easy to understand and interpret. Now, you'll need to choose an entity for your report. Pipedrive gives you a versatile array of choices, such as deals, activities, or products. Think about which aspect of your sales data you're most interested in diving into. Is it tracking deals, or perhaps monitoring activities? Make your choice based on the insights you want to extract. Once you've chosen your entity, the next step is selecting the type of report you wish to generate. The options may vary depending on your Pipedrive plan or any customized setups, so pick the one that will best capture the insights you're aiming for. After making your selections, proceed by clicking the Continue button. This will lead you to a customization screen where you can begin fine-tuning your report. Here, you'll encounter a variety of filter options. Take the time to adjust these filters according to your specific needs. The filter settings are crucial as they allow you to hone in on specifics, enabling a truly tailored analysis of your dataset. Once you're satisfied with the structure and data of your report, it's time to save your work. Look for the Save button, often located at the top right corner of the screen, and click it. You'll be prompted to enter a title for your report. Make sure the title is descriptive enough so that you can easily identify its contents later on. Finally, confirm your settings by clicking Save once more. And there you have it. You've just configured a detailed report in Pipedrive, empowering you with insights that cater precisely to your analytical needs. Take advantage of this feature to better understand your data and make informed decisions going forward.